a crystal of lead sulfide has NaCl structure. Now in this crystal, the shortest distance between a Pb plus ion and S2 minus ion is 297 picometer. What is the H length of unit cell in lead sulfide? Now student, and also calculate the unit cell volume. Now what we have got, first of all, see that a compound is crystallizing in what type of unit lattice. So your lead sulfide is crystallizing in NaCl structure, that is NaCl has an FCC lattice. Right? Now what is it saying? The shortest distance between PV and S2, that is, it is talking about the nearest neighbor distance, right? So there would be, say there is one particle over here, the another particle over here, and this particle over here. The particles present at the corners are not touching each other. Now in FCC lattice, what is the nearest neighbor distance? So the nearest neighbor distance in FCC lattice, that is equal to D, is equal to A by root 2, right? And what is the relationship between radius and the edge length? R is equal to A by 2 root 2, right? Now what we have got here is the nearest neighbor distance. Now what you need to do, can you find out the edge length now? D is given to you, that is 297 picometers. So can we convert it into meters or centimeters? So it should be 297 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeters multiplied by root 2. That will give you the nearest neighbor distance. Sorry, multiplied by root 2 will give you the edge length. Now here our edge length is A, right? Now our A is equal to, so it is root 2 multiplied by 297, that is root 2 multiplied by 297, and that has to be multiplied by 10 to the power minus 10. That comes out to be 420.02 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeters. Right? Now we've got over here, this is our edge length. Now what you need to find out is the volume. Now what is the volume of the unit cell? Volume of a unit cell is equal to A cube. So it should be 420.02 into 10 to the power minus 10, and that has to be cubed off, right? So we can get the volume from here. So remember, what is the thing is to be remembered over here is the nearest neighbor distance in all the three cases, right? Now what is the nearest neighbor distance in case of BCC? The nearest neighbor distance will come out to be root 3a by 2 in BCC. Okay? Now let's cube this, that is 420.02 into 420.02, that is some 7409. 7.409 into 10 to the power 23 minus 23 centimeter cube, right? You can check the calculation. There may be error in the calculation, but just check it out. Okay? So this is again one of the pattern of which question can be asked, right? So what is the main thing important is the formulas. That's it, right?